33 Bara Bray. Cheers. Sounds. I just got this from been told to speak about this. So sound. What is sound? Sound is a mathematical, a geometric arrangement of geometry. It's mathematics. So, Christians, you are told God created the world using sound. He said, "Let there be." He spoke into existence. You are told about the Big Bang, that there was a blast, a series of bangs, bangs, bangs. It's all sound, a roar. We're all talking about sound. When you speak in tongues, antakaramashata entekeremeke intaramaku. It's all sound. And sounds are pretty powerful. I just did that and very powerful vibration, energy flew through me. So sound is what you use to create. Everybody has their own sound. You make your own sound. That's what's very important for you to speak. Because when you speak, that you're exercising your energies. That's how you manifest, by speaking into existence. So sound is how we manipulate our power. It's how we show our power. That's how we use the human power in this reality. Through sounds, you can alter the state of something. Through sound, you can get healing. So sounds are frequencies, very powerful frequencies. So not all sounds are the same. The sound I produce and the sound you produce is not the same thing, because there is some power behind it. When I speak, it's power I'm generating. That is your power. That's why if somebody wants to gag your power, he'll tell you not to speak. Dictators of the world, they gag freedom of speech because they know that is your power. The Gen Z protest was their speech, their power, and that's how they speak. And they know that's the power you have. Now, from the power of sound, you can do a lot of things. You can manipulate reality. How you speak matters. For those looking to manifest something into their reality, the kind of speech you use matters. Speaking in the past or speaking in the present and the future all determine if you'll ever manifest what you're talking about. Masters of this world know that we only have now. Now is the only real time that exists. So the sounds that you utter right now is really important. So how is your speech? Do you speak in present? Or do you speak in the past? Or do you speak in future? I have a feeling many of you speak in the future. They're always like, I want to do this. When I grow up, I'll be this. In this coming year, I'll do this. That is always been future, and it should always be ahead of you. When you speak, speak presently. I am. That is the language of the masters. I am the way. I am the truth. I am the light. I am. I am the master. And that is how you manipulate reality, by speaking it into existence. Saying, I am sound. By speaking like that, that's how you create. By speaking it into the present, it gets into your consciousness, into your reality, and it becomes you become present, you live it. I told you, you only become what you are aware about, what you accept I am about. If you're always putting something into the future, that in the future I'll be this and this, it will always be in the future. But you speak, I am currently. Don't care about what you see with your little eyes or big one like mine. This doesn't matter. Let me tell you something. Whatever you're seeing is always recreating itself. 10 seconds ago, this has been recreated again. That's why you're seeing it. How ether works, ether is everywhere. Even where I am, this is ether. It's a bubble. So in this ether, it creates matter in it. So earth is inside here, this physical body, water, the chemicals have been mixed up, the elements have been mixed up. That's why I appear. So I keep on reappearing quickly. It happens so fast you don't realize because there's no time. So you always think I'm there, I'm a solid thing. That is the same thing why we think things are solid. Because the matter, this matter they are vibrating at the same frequency. So they appear to be together and they look solid. But if they could be vibrating at different frequencies, they now look separate. So you can see that is there, that's a chair, that's a table, because they are on different frequencies. So you can now separate them. The reason why you are there and me I'm here is because we're on different frequencies, vibrating differently. That's why we look separate. But all in all, when you close your eyes and you come and everything comes to one frequency, you'll realize it's all nothing. Just nothingness. I don't know if you see this. 33 vertebrae. That's my time. I don't For the questions, jot them down. I want those questions in the comments. Because I'm interested to see what you guys think about this. Whatever question you have, I'll help clear it out. That's my time. Thank you so much. Cheers.